cover. A summertime. Ow. And when a summertime, if you are anybody, you know say down to the pig them Riverton City, know say a Caribbean Fashion Week, the thing there.
Oi, oi.
In case you does not already know, that are the Hot People event of the year, where you have to rush out well shampoo and condition and compose up. Check out the awesome Caribbean designers and them fashion. Sit down and cross your leg them. Throw so much shade till all the sun lose it walk. And give life, courtesy of the resting biatch face. Yes, hunty! And would you believe that CFW are just 15 years old? Almost reached the age of consent. Ray! And it is just a part of a bigger celebration, which is the 35th anniversary of Pulse. So this year the CFW theme is total fashion. It's to incorporate not just the clothes aspect to it. It's to talk about the restaurant them, because you know you can't have fashion without people that eat and chat with people. Then you have to take in the whole health and fitness and wellness. So them have select spas and gyms where you can go, keep your body right, keep your body nice and tight, and so you can rush out and fit in your clothes when you come Fashion Week. My main reason for go, as some can see the name brand models them, like Janelle McKenzie, Nell Robinson, Orion Barrett, and one trailer load of other people. And you don't know so them model here have them own type of walk. Like the thundering down the straight horse gallop walk. The zombie dead yard walk. The I'm too sexy so I squint my eye GQ walk. And the Donna Gal and take her man pop out the hip walk. Big up Mr. Cooper and him nice pretty clean skin daughter Sophia. You ever wonder how them big entrepreneur you always have some nice pretty clean skin daughter? Bruce Willis, Reverend Ron, and who can forget Donald Trump. And hopefully me in the future. Oh, and big up Muggle Body Romeo Gordon, as she's a direct fashion and wear bag of shades. So all this bag of excitement are going from June 6 to the 15th. On June 6 and 7, they're going to have some boutique shows so they can rush come out and shop the look them before Caribbean Fashion Week. Then, on Friday, June 12, the fresh new emerging designers, not dressmaker and tailor, will show them collection, and whosoever have the best collection will win the CFW Emerging Designer Award. And guess what, people? Yes, it's just like Alkaline, you're going to get a brata. Cause V. Bozeman, yes, people, the sexy body ballad singer was shaped like the female statue at Emancipation Park. She same one with the band Empire and sing the song, yeah?
What is love? What is love?
Will be performing and strutting her stuff on the CFW runway. So that you can't miss. Saturday, June 13 is for the seasoned, well-established designers as well as the past winners of the CFW Emerging Designer Award. Then, on Saturday, June 14, you have more at the top of designers them, and wait for it, a full box cover length concert from the one and only Billy Ocean. One life him related to Frank. So I know on the 90s and 2000s just competing, they might not know them artists, yeah? But me I telling you, the man a Rasta and him name Ocean. Perfect fit for their Jamaica and their one event a highlight the Caribbean. You will get hits like Caribbean Queen, Love Zone, and When the Going Gets Tough. So if you're dead, do not afraid for ball out. Pull up! I'm not gonna make them kick you out. Oh, and by the way, look out for the premiere of my clothing line. It's our name, Dutty Draws. So peeps, here wa, do the right thing and come to CFW June 6 to the 15th. It is not to be missed. Come in and take in the best and the latest with the Caribbean region of the offer. Oh, and remember, I'm going to my Cooper Vice.
CFW is more than clothing. It's a lifestyle.
Nailed it!